on the button. J-E on the button.
This is what the hair looks like right here. It's from the makers of X-Pression. Good for crochet braid, easy and fast styling. What's that, Rua? I don't know. Kanekalon. And it's 3 times pre-layered braid. And it has made with Acrytac fiber from Kanekalon. Water repellent, fast drying, light and soft, perfect hair for an active lifestyle. Pre-stretched to save on prep time. This is what this looks like, and there's 3 of them in the pack. So it's pre-stretched already, so I don't have to do that. This saves you time. And I actually got 2 packs of them. I don't know if I'm going to need this pack. Okay, y'all, it's only a couple of things you're going to need for this video, and that is, of course, the netting. You're going to need a ventilated needle, which that we're not going to use this needle yet. And you're going to need a crochet one. Now, this is the small one. Hey y'all, I am done with the wig, and yes, look at this. This is so flowy, so nice. Look at that. But y'all know X-Pression's hair is like really good hair anyway. And this is the packet that I used. I showed y'all in the beginning, and it says X-Pression. Get this one, y'all. I'm telling you, they have some good X-Pression's hair, but look at this. We cannot make none of this up. I blow dried it. Y'all see that I blow dried it. And yes, we are done, y'all. It took me, for anybody who want to ask, it took me 6 hours to construct this wig. And the reason why, because I told y'all I wanted this to be the best damn wig on YouTube that's homemade. You see the parting, because I have some of you ladies say, oh, you know, you didn't show me the parting, so here is the parting right here. And yes, look at this. Oh my goodness, I didn't do any cutting to it at all, y'all. It comes pre-stretched, and this is what the ends look like after I kind of like blow dried it, but I didn't do it bone straight, but it's straight enough. Sorry y'all, let me get my brush. You know I got to comb all of this. Now, the cap that I showed y'all in my live was not the cap that I used, but it's similar to the cap. But you'll see the cap in the beginning of the video. But this also is another cap that you can use. And that's this one right here that I showed you in the live. If you guys came on and saw the live. Really, I wish I would have used this one because it has all of these right here that I can use. But this is still overall a good cap. What I did with the 2 straps in the back, I just tied them together whereas though it fits my head, because you know my head is really small. So let me get it together so y'all can see the back. Look at this back. Do you see this back, guys? What? It's so super flowy. Don't hate on it now. Don't hate on the hair. But yeah, I make these wigs like every now and again, and I was due for one because my sister came past here, and when my baby sister, when she came, you never seen her, y'all saw Sheila, and yeah, just Sheila, when I came to her house one day, and we were geeking off and everything, but you never see my baby sister. But my baby sister, she came over and hit me up for 3 wigs, y'all, 3 wigs. So I was like, you know what, I gotta get my wig game back in because she got my wig. Look at this, guys. Do you see this wig? I mean, like, yes, y'all. I told y'all if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. So I'm gonna show y'all inside of here. Let me see if I can see the crocheting part right here. So this is the same wig, because I don't want somebody to say, oh, you know what, that's not the same wig. She done switched that wig out. She done pulled a YouTube switch up on me. But yeah, y'all, so I used the ventilating needle, and I used a small crochet needle y'all see in the beginning of the video. Of course, I was looking jacked up then, you know. Oh, my lip gloss is like gone. Let me get some lip gloss for my lips. But yeah, not meaning to get off, y'all, but my lips need to, you know, with this kind of hair, you know, you want that pucker up. Oh, I done put it at the top, y'all. Y'all see that? Can't even see. That's because I have only that this light right here from the camera. I mean the mirror from the camera. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say, y'all. It took me 6 hours to do this wig, not counting me going out and taking my little breaks and everything. I didn't count that inside of the 6 hours, but I'm believing still it would have been 6 hours because I really wanted to get this really right. I wanted you guys to be able to see. Now I also, oh, this is what I forgot. I didn't show you a whole lot in this clip, but I am going to slow it down so you can see it. But because I went on live, and those of you who missed my live, I'm so sorry. But to produce a video like this, y'all, when you doing the ventilating, I mean, it takes a while to ventilate with that little small needle. So for me to upload that video, I have to speed it up at least a little bit, because other than that, y'all not going to sit through this video and I be done made it for nothing. So I did the best I could in letting you be able to see it. But if you can't see it through there, please go through to my live. Then I also have another video that you guys can be able to refer to if it pulls up. I'm hoping that it pulls up. When you first go to my channel, you will see the video. I think I have it as my trailer in the beginning when you first go to my channel. So I'm going to see if I can pull it up like right now so you can be able to see. you can refer to this one right here. It has 67,000 views. It's this one right here, and it will show you exactly how to do the crocheting too. So this is another one you can refer to. If not, then my live I went into detail, and also, well, into this one I went into detail telling you the type of hair and everything that you would need to be able to get this crochet thing together. So this is what this is looking like, how to slay a crochet wig and make your own lace, and it tells you what you're going to need. And I go into showing you how to do it. Then I show you how to do the lace closure. So please refer to these videos, y'all, because you know what? People will charge you to do this. You know what I'm saying? They want you to hold classes to get this done. You got to pay them $200 and $300, sometimes $500 to do this. But I'm giving it to you guys free because you are my babies. You are my J babies. But anyway, I'm going to get out of here from rambling. I want you ladies to know I don't even have this wig down, y'all. So I don't have it down, but when I do, I'm gonna got to be glue it all around. Now the edges of it, you can see I don't have it all the way down because this is this, but I'm gonna got to be glue it all around, and that's it. That concludes the video. So y'all be blessed and not stressed, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you do, comment down below, let me know that you enjoyed it. I'm hoping that I answer all your questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers. Almost at 10,000 subscribers. Also, I'm believing that I should have more than that. Really, I should. I'm not being ungrateful, but I'm saying, y'all, I'm giving y'all very detailed, very detailed stuff that you would even have to pay for. Share this damn video, y'all. Share it. Share it to everybody. Everybody, share it to everybody. Let them know that this is a very affordable wig you can make yourself. This wig was $10. Minus, okay, we'll just say the cap $2.99. So you talk about, like, I'll just put $15 on it. $15 and you make it yourself. How you want it. You don't have to have that little small part from here to here. I have a part all the way back here because that's how I want it. This hair is actually, when I measured the hair, this hair is 26 inches long. So it's 26. Let me try to jump up so you can see. So this, when I stand up, it hits me right at my waist. So it's 26 inches though, y'all. I'm like 5'7", but if you're shorter, it's gonna, oh my goodness, it's gonna be reach you like all the way down to your booty. Let me see. Yeah, it's down to my behind, but only in strands. But anyway, y'all, share this video, y'all. Share it to everybody. Everybody needs to see this video. Share it, and also like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, y'all. Don't forget to hit that Taco Bell that's right there on your left, or my right, or your right, whatever. I don't know. It's one down here, but it looks like a Taco Bell. Smash it for me. Double smash it for me. Well, actually, if you double smash it, then it's going to turn off. So triple smash it for me. So you turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. Okay, anyway. And for all of you guys who don't know me, my name is J Baby. And on this video, on my channel, I do DIYs. I do everything. Just check it out, y'all. Check it out. Go through the playlist. Check it out. So 10,000 subscribers, y'all. That's because of y'all. That's because of y'all. Because y'all love the J Baby. I love my family so much. Thank you for your support, y'all. Thank you so much. I wouldn't even think 10,000, but I'm grateful. I wouldn't have thought. Wow, that's mind-boggling. But anyway, bless y'all. Bless you, bless you. Like J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off.